Welcome back. So today we have Harbor Freight's flash sale going on tomorrow. So 1 day flash sale, Wednesday, February 12th. So there's two of them. We'll go over both of them and hopefully you have a chance. So anyways, we'll jump right in. 1 day flash sale. We'll zoom in a little bit more. Hurry, Wednesday, 2/12, 99 bucks for the Hercules 11 amp 5-inch deep cut variable speed bandsaw. In store only while supplies last. $80 off. So I might be wrong. So this is not 100%. Oh, and make note, blade sold separately, but this looks like a corded tool. And there's a corded tool sale, of course, that we've been talking about. And it's this parking lot sale that's going on in March. So 30% off corded tools. Now, of course, that's any of the Hercules corded tools. And here we have a Hercules corded tool. But this is well over 40%. $80 off, 180 bucks. What is that? Rough math, 45-ish percent. So excellent sale on this. I mean, 30% is also great, but 45%, you can't, that's not going to happen again. Anyways, 99 bucks was 180 bucks, $80 savings, 11 amp, 5-inch deep cut variable speed saw, in-store only while supplies last. We'll read the fine print just in case. Limit 1 coupon per customer per day, valid in store and on in-stock items only. Coupon must be presented at time of sale. Offer valid for item 59229, cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including ITC member prices. Other restrictions may apply. Limit 2. So you could get 2. You could get 2 of these. Why would you need 2? Somebody tell me. I'm sure. Maybe give one to your friend. But you can get 2 of these. So this is 99 bucks. Yeah. So let's go to the next one. And we have the Daytona 1.5 ton professional racing aluminum series. Racing series aluminum floor jack with rapid pump. 79 bucks. $80 essentially, saving 55 bucks, was 134 bucks. And what better price? I mean, 79, I don't know where you're going to find a better, cheaper, high quality jack for the price. It is only 1.5 tons, so you are limited there, but to have a lightweight aluminum floor jack that you can kind of just wheel around and tuck away, this would be the one to get. $80. Let's go ahead and read the fine print. Again, only tomorrow. Limit 1 coupon per customer per day. Valid in store and on in-stock items only. Coupon must be presented at the time of sale. Offer valid on item 58206. Cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including ITC member prices. Other restrictions may apply. Again, limit 2. So you can get 2 of these. So if you get 2, it's almost like having a 3-ton floor jack. That doesn't make sense. But again, flash sale Wednesday. There's going to be a sale every Wednesday for the month of February. And here we have 2 really great deals. So hopefully you guys can get use of these coupons. Happy Harbor Freighting. If you find these videos useful, please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I find some more deals, I will send them your way.